Don't trust atoms. They make up everything. Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is Vanishing Point. These guys are from Australia. Yes, Melbourne in Australia. They have this song out. It's called Dead Elysium, and it's from this album, funnily enough, called Dead Elysium, possibly the title track. See what I did there? I'm practically Sherlock Holmes. This is out end of August, so again, I think I said this literally about 2 videos ago. Time to save up. Save up your pennies if you like it. I don't know if I like it. I haven't actually heard it. And the weird thing about this song is it's clearly new. I mean, when was it released onto the masses? June the 18th, so not very long ago at all. And it's in my bookmarks, and it only came out literally June the 18th, and I have no idea where I got it from. I've had a look in my comments and I can't see anyone recommending it. I've looked in my email and I can't see anybody emailing me about it. So I don't know where. This could be a YouTube recommends job, but I don't know why. It's poof right on. So if you did recommend this to me, I'm sorry. Let me know in the comments. I apologize profusely. I do not know how this song ended up in my bookmarks, but it did. So here we are. I haven't heard it. I genuinely have not heard 1 second of this. Usually I click through videos like a couple of seconds here and there just to make sure that they're suitable for the channel. And I haven't done that this time. I've just queued it up. So if it isn't suitable, you will never see this video. So if you're seeing this video, it must have been at least suitable. Whatever. Let's rock. Presumably. even if I hadn't known what that song was called, I think I would have figured out. You know what? That's one of those songs where it's a little bit lightweight for this channel, I think. But it's got a hard enough edge that I can enjoy it. Let's put it that way. And they certainly got their money's worth out of that. In fact, they could have knocked several bars off it at the beginning of the song. I'm not sure this needed to be a 7-minute song, because the song itself is kind of, and I don't mean this in an insulting way, it's quite a straightforward song. So I don't think it needed to be 7 minutes long. However, I can see myself, well, as you know, the thing about having the lyrics on the screen and a nice catchy melody and a nice catchy chorus like that is that you just pick it up so quickly that you can't help but go along with it. And I can imagine myself doing that, like the hairbrush in front of the mirror kind of thing. I don't do that anymore as much as I used to. Or driving my car, you know, or whatever. Dead Elysium, and really sort of getting into it. So yeah, I like songs like this. I like music like this sometimes, if it's on in amongst all of the other stuff. Because let's face it, we do a heck of a lot of death metal on this channel, and I think I'm getting more death metal as I get older, which I'm not sure that's how it's supposed to work. And I noticed actually that somebody called Keith Vincent, who comes onto the channel a lot, recommended these guys to me 2 years ago. Oops. When I'm pretty sure I didn't do it. I haven't done a Vanishing Point song before, have I? Does a quick check. No. Yes, I knew that. I had these guys recommended to me 2 years ago. Well, it took me some time to get to it, but they got a new album out, so here we are. So yeah, it's not death metal. It's not super complicated, super tricky, super technical, it's not super anything. It's just solid metal, isn't it? And rock, solid hard rock. Let's put it that way. And I find that very sing-alongable. Sometimes I just find it a bit boring and tiresome, but I enjoyed this. I can see myself singing this at the top of my voice, and this song definitely has one of those earworm kind of aspects to it. I can see me just wandering around the house constantly singing the same line. Do you do that? Do you do that where you just get a line stuck from a song in your head and you're walking around the house, Dead Elysium, la 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 la, because you can't remember anymore, and then literally 10 seconds later, Dead Elysium, until your wife says, stop singing that song or I may murder you. That's happened once or twice. Yes, so that's a plus thing, by the way, if your song's just very, very catchy. And like I say, it's quite a simple song, but it's got great melody and he sings it very well and it's done very well. The is a little overdone for me, especially at the beginning. I just thought, right, get on with it now. But yeah, it's a good example of what it is. Not exactly fantastic praise, is it? But I know what the audience of this channel is like, and I suspect some people are going to say, meh, not for me. Whereas I personally like anything that I feel is good quality. I think I don't think I'm that jammed into a genre specifically, though I do tend towards the more heavy death metal-y stuff. Though on the other hand, I love Coheed and Cambria and I love prog and all of that sort of thing. So I don't know what I'm talking about. If anyone's been watching this channel for a couple of years, you know I don't actually know what I'm talking about. I just make this stuff up as I go along. And I'll stop now. So yeah, Vanishing Point, Dead Elysium, off the album Dead Elysium, coming out end of August. Save your pennies. They're from Australia. There you go. Could have just said all that, couldn't I? This video would have been over in 2 minutes. I'll see you soon. Let me know what you think. As usual, goodbye. Will that do? Yeah? I'll do. Okay. Okay, cut everybody. Everyone, take 5, everyone. You can all go home. Oh, still recording.